Good morning, students. Welcome back to the series of parts of speech. And today we are going to discuss about the second parts of speech, that is pronouns. Well, students, all of you know that there are 8 parts of speech and the 9th has been incorporated in the modern grammar. So the first part of speech was noun, which we have discussed thoroughly, and the second part of speech is pronoun. So what is a noun? All those words which are used for a person, place, thing or animal is called noun. And what are pronouns? So all those words which are used in place of a noun is known as pronoun, or a word used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. For example, let's discuss a story. For example, I'm discussing about a boy. Say I'm taking an example of Ram. I say that Ram is a boy. Ram is very intelligent. Ram studies in 8th class. Ram is very punctual. Ram performs his all activities very well, and Ram is very brilliant. So I'm using the word Ram and Ram again and again. So you people must be feeling monotonous or boring in listening Ram and Ram again and again. You must be feeling that ma'am is saying Ram again and again. She's using the word Ram. So now again listen to me. Ram is a boy. He is very intelligent. He studies in 8th standard. He is very punctual. So now I'm doing what? I'm using the word he in place of Ram. So Ram is a noun because it is the name of a person. So it is noun. And now I'm using the word he in place of Ram. So the word he I'm using in place of Ram, that is pronoun. So beta, all those words which are used in place of a noun are called as pronoun. So if we have categorized it into 4 parts: name of a person, name of place, name of thing, name of animals. So for name of person, if a person is male, we use the word he. So the various examples are I, it, we, he, she, they, you. These are all words which we use in place of noun. So first word is I. Where do we use the word I? I is used in the first person. This we'll discuss later on. Let's perform an activity based upon pronouns. So he, she, they. He for singular male, she for singular female, they for both male and female, and you for the person whom I am talking with. I is the person who is talking. Like if I am talking to for me, I will use the word I. It is used for non-living things. For example, for things, for animals, we use the word it. We use for first person who is speaking. If there are more than one person, then we make the use of we. Okay? Thank you so much. Okay, students. Now let's perform an activity based upon pronouns. Now beta, here are all the examples of pronouns: I, it, we, he, she, they, you. Now we know that for male, just say there was Ram, and for Ram if we'll use the word which we use in place of a male person or a boy or a man, we will use he. For a girl or a woman or a lady, we will use she. For all more than 2 persons, more than 2 males, we will use the word they. And it is used for non-living things. Now let's perform an activity. Here are a few examples, students. Now this is a shirt. If this is a shirt, shirt is a noun. It is a thing which we wear, which the male persons wear. So this is a non-living thing. So we will categorize into which part? We will categorize into it. So now the another example is Tom. Now beta, Tom is the name of a person. Tom is very intelligent. So Tom is a name of person, and for Tom, the pronoun which we use for Tom is, yes beta, it is he. So next time when we use the word for Tom, we will use he. Like Tom is very intelligent. He is a hard-working boy. Next is the example of key or keys in fact. So keys are non-living things. So we will also place it under it, and the plural of it is these. We can say these. Okay. Next is Sita. Sita is a girl, and for girl the pronoun which we use is she. So we will place Sita under the category of she. Next is toy. Like I am having a toy. So this toy is a non-living thing, so it will be placed under it. Which category? It will be placed under the category of it. Now is Ram, Sita, Mohan and Geeta. Now here are 4 persons: Ram, Sita, Mohan and Geeta. So for all these 4 persons we will use a single pronoun, that is they. Like if I take the example that Ram, Sita, Mohan and Geeta are playing. So I will say that they are playing football. So I am using the word they. So they is a pronoun. Next word is balloon. So this balloon is also a non-living thing. We will place under the category of it because it is a non-living thing. This ship is also will be placed under the category of it because it is also a non-living thing. Next is Radha. Radha is a name of a girl. So we will place it under which category? We will place it under the category of she. And then is Ram and Mohan. So Ram and Mohan are more than one. So we will use it under the category of they. So my dear students, I hope you all must have understood the concept of pronoun, the basic concept of pronoun, that all those words which are used in place of a noun is called as pronoun, and the various words which are used in place of a noun are I, it for non-living thing, we for persons, he for male person, she for female, they for more than 2 persons, and you for the second person. And the examples of it are shirt, ship, keys, toy, balloon. The example of he is Tom is he. The example of she, Sita and Radha. We are using the word she for Sita and Radha. And they for more than 2 persons like Ram, Sita, Mohan and Geeta, Ram and Mohan. Thank you so much.